Okay, there is a question given when both the source and observer approaches each other with a speed equal to half the speed of the sound, then determine the percentage change in the frequency of the sound as detected by the listener. Okay, when both source and observer approaches each other, that means there is a source given, source and observer both approach each other with a speed given equal to half the speed of sound. That is, दुवैको speed is half, v by 2. Then determine the percentage change in the frequency of the sound as detected by the listener. That is, पहिला हामी निकालौं what is the frequency निकालौं source, that is observer को receive गरेको frequency, that we can write v minus that is plus minus vo divided by v minus plus minus vs into frequency. ल value वाला था velocity of sound, ल v नै मानौं, not given v नै मानौं. That means observer चाहिँ opposite मा moving छ है, observer is moving opposite. Velocity of sound जहिले पनि हुन्छ source to observer, velocity of sound जहिले पनि हुन्छ source to observer, and this is moving in the direction, that means भित्र हामी minus गर्ने v by 2 divided by v minus source, moving in the same direction, that is plus v by 2 into f. Now this is become here 3v by 2 divided by यो हुन्छ v by 2 into f. v by 2 cancel हुन्छ here, that we got 3f. This is the frequency heard here. Now the change in frequency, that means percentage change in frequency, we can here 3f minus f divided by initial frequency f into 100. This is become here 2f by f, that we are getting answer 200%. This answer become here. The next question is given, a bat is fitting about in a cave navigating via ultrasonic beeps. Assume that the sound emission frequency of the bat is given 40 kHz. Sound emission frequency of the bat is 40 kHz. During the fast swap directly towards the flat wall surface, the bat is moving at 0.03 times the speed of the sound in air. What frequency does the bat hear reflected off the wall? That means there is a given here, that is source दिएको छ bat को frequency दिएको छ, frequency of the source को frequency दिएको छ equal to 40 kHz. During the one fast swap of directly towards the flat wall surface, the bat is moving at 0.03 times the speed of sound. That is, velocity दिएको छ source को 0.03 times the velocity of sound. What frequency does the bat hear reflected of the wall? That means यो wall को पहिला हामी निकालौं what is the velocity, what is the frequency heard by the wall, अनि त्यसले reflect गरी frequency अनि फेरि निकाल्ने. That is, पहिला अब यो wall लाई मानौ observer, velocity of sound हुन्छ source to observer. That is, हामी direct पहिला निकालौं frequency received by wall. Wall ले कति frequency receive गर्छ? Okay, frequency either we can write n अथवा f, anything we can assume here. Frequency received by wall निकालौं, that is v minus observer rest मा हो, observer is wall, source moving in the same direction, that is 0.03 times of velocity of sound into frequency given 40 kHz. यसलाई solve गरौँ त. That means 1 minus 0.03 v cancel छ तल माथि. This means this is we are getting here 1 point, this frequency is given 40 kHz into 40 गर्दाखेरि, that is we are getting here 41.23 kHz. This is the frequency heard by the wall. यो हुन्छ wall ले receive गरेको frequency. अब यो वालले फ्रिक्वेन्सी फर्काउँछ, एज्युम इट इज अ पर्फेक्ट रिफ्लेक्टर हियर, यसले फ्रिक्वेन्सी फर्काउँछ। नाउ अब सोर्स, द्याट मिन्स व्हाट इज द फ्रिक्वेन्सी रिसिभड बाई सोर्स नाउ, द्याट मिन्स अब यो वाल बिहेभ गर्छ एज अ सोर्स, वाल नाउ बिहेव्स एज अ सोर्स, र यो अब्जर्भर, द्याट ब्याट इज अब्जर्भर रिफ्लेक्टेड अफ द वाल। द्याट अब युज गर्नु फेरि फर्मुला हियर, भी माइनस अब्जर्भर, अब्जर्भर अब के हो, अब्जर्भर इज नथिङ बट अब सोर्स, सोर्स इज मुभिङ, अब भेलोसिटी अफ साउन्ड हुन्छ यो डाइरेक्सनमा, बिकज यसले फर्काइरहेको छ भेलोसिटी वालले, त्यहाँदेखि अब भेलोसिटी साउन्ड जान्छ यो डाइरेक्सनमा, र सोर्स मुभिङ अपोजिट छ, अपोजिटमा अब बिचमा के गरिदिउँ प्लस, माइनस माइनस प्लस हुन्छ यहाँ, एन्ड दिस इज अ 0.03 अब्जर्भर, भी डिभाइड बाई भी माइनस भीएस, सोर्स अब अगेन रेस्टमा हो, इन्टु फ्रिक्वेन्सी अफ द वाल, फ्रिक्वेन्सी अफ द वाल, फ्रिक्वेन्सी अफ द वाल एज इज एक्टिङ एज अ सोर्स। अब यसलाई सल्भ गर्दाखेरि यो भी फेरि क्यान्सल हुन्छ यहाँ, द्याट इज 1.003, द्याट इज 1.03 आउँछ यो, 1.03 भी क्यान्सल, 1.03 इन्टु यतिलाई मल्टिप्लाई गरौँ, 41.23 इन्टु 1.03, that is answer is nothing but 42.47. We are getting answer here 42.47 kilohertz. Here is answer. There is a question given here. A particle of mass 50 gram participate in the two simple harmonic oscillation simultaneously as given by, that is first मा दिएको छ x1 equal to 10, यसलाई चाहिँ हामी के गरौँ, यो cosलाई पनि कन्भर्ट गरिदिउँ साइनमा, okay, that means we can write here sin 90 plus theta is nothing but cos theta, that means sin 90 plus theta equal to, we can write cos theta here, that means this is nothing but equation become here 10 sin, we can write 80 pi plus 90 मतलब pi by 2, र अर्को इक्वेसन आयो x2 बराबर 10, that is 5 sin 80 pi plus pi by 6, sin 90, that is 90 plus theta equal to cos theta हुन्छ, we got same thing here. now अब फेज डिफरेन्स, दुईटै बिचमा फेज डिफरेन्स हुन्छ 90 र यो 30, 90 र फेज डिफरेन्स निकाल्दाखेरि यो 90 डिग्री हुन्छ र यो 30 डिग्री हुन्छ यहाँ, pi by 6 is nothing but 30, that means 60 degree आयो फेज डिफरेन्स, 60, 90 minus 30 equal to 60, phase difference is 60 degree. Then we can write amplitude square equal to, that is a1 square, this is 100 plus formula हुन्छ a1 square plus a2 square plus 2a1 a2 into cos 5, phase difference. Now we can write a1 is nothing but 100, a2 is given 25, this is nothing but our a1 a2, that means we got 50 into 100 हुन्छ यो, phase difference equal to, we got 5 equal to 60 degree, cos 60, that is phase difference यसको निस्किन्छ 90 minus 30 equal to 60, cos 60 equal to 1 by 2, this is 125 plus 100 into 1 by 2, 50 here, 125 plus this is 50, that is we got answer 175, this is the answer become here.